when your stomach growls loudly during a test. So, I'm sitting in class, fully locked into my test. The room is silent. You could hear a fly breathing, and then instant panic. My stomach just exposed me. I look around, praying no one noticed. But the guy next to me is already holding in laughter. The teacher looks up, their eyes saying, "Really?" I try to play it off. I cough, shuffle my paper, even pretend to think deeply like I'm solving a life mystery. But my stomach? It's not done talking. Another growl. Someone snorts. And now, I have officially lost all respect in this classroom. Moral: eat before an exam or risk becoming today's entertainment.